Hi nail queens, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the first one of my creator series. So if you don't know, I'm a content creator here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you know, the kind of main social media giants out there right now. And I wanted to talk about creator stuff. I feel like it's important to talk about what is the difference between being an influencer, an ambassador, and an affiliate. Those are three different things that come with being in this content creator space. Some of us might be one, some of us might be two of those, some of us might be three. They are not the same thing, and they're often used interchangeably in the wrong term and the wrong way. So I decided in today's video, I'm going to describe what all three are and what the differences between them are. So if this is a topic you're interested in learning about, keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about is being an influencer. What is an influencer? I see this term knocked around a lot, and many of the times I see it being used incorrectly. An influencer is typically a well-known person within a space or a community who has influence over their own audience. So if you have influence over your audience, meaning say you have 100 followers and most of them are very engaged with you and they care about your opinion and they purchase things based on your opinion and your review, you are an influencer. You influence people to do something. You're influencing them to do a certain action. So don't let a brand think that you have to have 20,000 subscribers or followers to be influential. That is not the case. There's a difference between a brand advocate and a brand ambassador. There's sometimes brand advocates are the best people to turn into your ambassadors for your company. However, brand advocates are usually people who purchase your products and they freely promote them on all their social medias because they genuinely love the product that they're using. So there's no incentive for them to promote it. They just post about it because they genuinely love it. Now, brand ambassadors are different, and I think brand advocates are the best people to turn into brand ambassadors because they were already advocating for you before, meaning they genuinely love you and there's no incentive or drive behind it. I think those are the best people to convert into ambassadors. Now, brand ambassadors are usually people who are representatives of a company, and they tend to usually get product for free in exchange for posting about this company. Not every person who receives PR is a brand ambassador, but if they are like, I'm an ambassador for so-and-so company, that's because they represent the company and they're being told, hey, I'm going to send you this in exchange for you to post this content, usually. Now, mind you, you might think that brand ambassadors are unbiased in opinion. So FTC regulation requires that if you are gifted a product, either it be for PR or just any reason at all, if you're gifted something from a brand, that you have to disclose it when you're posting about that product on social media. And now the FTC regulations are a whole thing to get into, and I can do that in another video if you guys want. But I'm going to move on to the next one, which is brand affiliates. So what is an affiliate? An affiliate is a little bit different about everything we've mentioned so far, maybe a little bit of everything put into one. An affiliate is often confused with an ambassador because affiliates and ambassadors might have discount codes. However, ambassadors do not get commission on those codes and affiliates do get commission. So what that means is if you use an influencer's discount code and they get commission from every time you use their code when you purchase something from that company's website, they are an affiliate. They are getting a financial incentive every time you use a code or click on their affiliate link. Now, oftentimes, companies don't label their affiliate programs or their affiliates correctly. They'll label them as ambassadors. For example, I am an ambassador for Maniology, maniology.com, and I have a 10% off affiliate code. So anytime someone uses my 10% off discount at checkout, I get 10% commission off of their purchase. But there's other companies, for example, such as Soul Dips. I'm an ambassador for that company. and I have a 10% off code from that company, but I don't make money off of your purchases if you use that discount code. So that is the difference between an affiliate and an ambassador. Affiliates make money off of a discount code or an affiliate link, but ambassadors do not. Oftentimes, companies don't label these programs correctly, so they're often confused. Now, mind you, your affiliates don't have to be the kind that is constantly promoting the brand. I'm an affiliate for a bunch of different companies, and some of them I promote only when I'm using their products in my videos. So I only post the affiliate links in the relevant videos where I'm using such products. So if you decide to click on that link or use that discount code when I'm using that product, I'll make commission, but I only do that when it's relevant to the product I'm talking about. However, there are times when people are affiliates, they're always promoting about this brand. So they're really advocating for this company. So they might be an ambassador and an affiliate, meaning they really advocate for the company and they love the company, or they're required to advocate for this company based on a contract with the company, but they're also getting paid through the affiliate code or link. Mind you, the main point of today's video is just to know the difference between an affiliate, an ambassador, and an influencer. Those are very important things in this community that I am in. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions about any of the things I have discussed, maybe I left something out. If I did, I am so sorry about that. Definitely leave a comment below, and maybe I can continue doing this creator series in a broad range of topics. The next video I have planned for this creator series that I've already started recording is a day in the life of being a content creator. It's actually like a week in the life kind of thing. I've been following around my routine and showing you guys how I put together my content. So that video is coming soon, so stay tuned. Bye! I have a little friend. Oh, she's so cute. Say hello. Oh, my little furry baby. She's got a forever home soon. Say good boy. No, I'm just kidding. She is being rehomed in July when her new mommy comes to pick her up.